81 minus 81 equals to 0. 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. And 0 multiplied by 3 equals to 0. But of course, this answer is not correct. Why this answer is not correct? Because according to the order of operation, the multiplication and division, they have higher priority over addition and subtraction. In this case, we have only divisions. But what's important also, sorry, forgot that, multiplication and division, they have equal priorities and they need to be done from left to right. Same here. So we have division that have higher priority of subtraction. So we do this part first. And also it needs to be done from left to right. So we should not do subtraction first and then division as we please. No, we have the division and then we do the subtraction. Therefore, what we get here, because we must do first division from left to right, we do first this division. We get 81 minus 81 divided by 9 is 9. Then we have also divided by 3. So we do the second division, which is 9 divided by 3. What we get is 81 minus 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. And the result is 78. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.